Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about adventure bikes for 2026, the Honda CB300X, a motorcycle that's redefining what you can expect from a sub-300cc adventure machine in this era. Honda has always been known for reliability, build quality, and engineering excellence, and the CB300X brings those core strengths together with practical touring DNA and everyday usability. Whether you're an urban commuter navigating chaotic city streets, a weekend explorer looking for a bike that can handle dirt trails, or planning your first real adventure ride, this bike is engineered to impress at every turn. It's not just about raw specifications, it's about how the bike makes you feel when you're on it, confident, capable, and excited for the journey ahead. Let's start at the heart of this bike, its engine and performance. Under the muscular adventure-style bodywork sits a 286 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that's designed to deliver smooth and predictable power. Unlike smaller air-cooled commuter bikes, this engine offers strong low-end torque and reliable mid-range punch, making it equally confident on crowded city streets and open highways. You can cruise comfortably around 100 to 110 km per hour, which is impressive for a bike in this segment, and thanks to Honda's refined fuel injection system, throttle response is consistent and easy to modulate. The engine's smoothness is one of its biggest selling points. It doesn't feel harsh or buzzy at higher RPMs, making long rides enjoyable rather than fatiguing. That liquid-cooled engine isn't just about peak numbers, it's about usable performance across different riding conditions. Desert heat, slow climbs, or stop-and-go traffic won't make it sweat, and the 6-speed gearbox provides a smooth, confidence-inspiring connection between rider and road. Shifting is precise, and the clutch action is light. Enough for city commuting while still providing the control needed for spirited rides on twisty roads. You'll appreciate the balanced and manageable power delivery during overtakes or when carving through winding countryside lanes, where every gear feels purposeful and responsive. For newer riders, this makes the CB300X very approachable, yet even experienced riders will find the performance satisfying, especially on longer rides. Now, let's talk design, and this is where the CB300X truly stands out. Honda has taken the classic adventure silhouette and refined it into a form that's both functional and aggressive. The muscular fuel tank, tall stance, aerodynamic front fairing, and sharp LED lighting give it an adventurous character without being over the top. It looks ready to tackle off-road trails while still blending seamlessly into urban traffic. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and step seat are all engineered around comfort, allowing long hours in the saddle without undue fatigue. Riders immediately notice the bike's ergonomic thoughtfulness. Feet rest naturally on the pegs, the handlebars sit at a comfortable width for steering leverage, and the seat provides just the right amount of cushioning without feeling soft or sloppy. Even pillions get a well-designed seating area that won't feel cramped on longer trips. Adventure bikes are all about comfort and capability, and Honda hasn't cut corners here. The CB300X features long travel suspension, upside-down forks in the front and a ProLink monoshock at the rear that absorbs rough surfaces impressively well. Whether you're negotiating broken pavement, potholes, or soaking up bumps on a dirt trail, the suspension setup keeps the ride composed and confidence-inspiring. The front forks provide a feeling of solidity, giving precise feedback without transmitting harsh jolts to the rider's hands, while the rear monoshock balances comfort with stability, keeping the rear end planted even when fully loaded with luggage or pillion. This suspension package allows you to explore a variety of terrains without feeling like you're compromising on ride quality. On the tech side, the 2026 CB300X is surprisingly well equipped. It comes with a digital instrument cluster that delivers essential information like speed, fuel level, trip data, gear position, and even smartphone connectivity for calls, navigation, and music alerts. All accessible in your line of sight. The display is crisp, easy to read under direct sunlight, and intuitively laid out so that important information doesn't distract you while riding. Honda's introduction of keyless ignition adds a touch of modern convenience, ensuring you're not fumbling with keys at fuel stops or in parking lots. A standard USB-C charging port is another thoughtful inclusion, especially for long rides where keeping devices powered matters. Safety isn't forgotten either. With dual-channel ABS, traction control, and reliable disc brakes front and rear, the bike gives you confidence across varied conditions, from sudden wet city streets to gravel trails. These safety features are particularly comforting for newer riders who may not yet be confident in handling emergency braking or slippery surfaces. But perhaps one of the biggest talking points for riders is how practical this bike is on the road. With a fuel tank that's around 14 liters, and real-world mileage estimates in the 30 to 35 km/L range, riders can expect excellent touring range with fewer fuel stops, something adventure riders value highly on long stretches. This is a bike that can comfortably handle a day-long ride across highways in small towns without the stress of constantly searching for fuel. Combined with its comfy ergonomics and Honda's legendary reliability, the CB300X becomes more than just a commuter. It's a companion for journeys that span days or even weeks. Loaded with luggage, strap on a camping kit, and it's capable of taking you into the countryside or even light off-road trails with confidence. Styling details also deserve a mention. The adventure theme is carried throughout, from the rugged front beacon windscreen designed to cut through wind at higher speeds, to the wide handlebars and comfortable split seat that let you command the bike with confidence. The aesthetic is bold without being unnecessarily flashy, keeping a premium and purposeful look that suits riders who value both form and function. Color options, graphics, and accents have been chosen to enhance its adventurous character while maintaining a timeless appeal, so this bike will still look modern and relevant years from now. Now let's talk about price, a key factor for many riders considering an upgrade or first big bike purchase. Depending on the region, the CB300X is positioned in an accessible bracket for its class. In markets like India, online references suggest the X showroom price starting from around 2 Indian rupees lakh, which, when you consider its performance, features, and capabilities, is an excellent value proposition. On-road pricing will vary with taxes, registration, and accessories, but even then, it's positioned competitively against rivals in the adventure category. For riders evaluating entry-level adventure bikes, this is one of the most balanced offerings in terms of cost-to-feature ratio, making it a smart investment for both new and experienced riders. One of the unique selling points of the CB300X is how it bridges gaps. It's versatile enough for new riders to feel confident, yet capable enough for seasoned riders to take on longer journeys or explore off the beaten path. In closing, the 2026 Honda CB300X is a standout motorcycle in the entry-level adventure segment, one that doesn't just deliver in specs, but also in real-world usability. It's practical without being boring, capable without being intimidating, and features a level of polish that reflects Honda's decades of engineering expertise. For riders looking for a bike that can be their daily ride, their long-distance explorer, and their weekend getaway machine all in one, this could very well be the one. From ergonomics to engine, tech to suspension, Honda has carefully crafted a package that's more than just an adventure bike. It's a gateway to freedom, exploration, and riding enjoyment, all wrapped in a well-designed, reliable, and stylish package.